So now right over here, we're just gonna make the fender of the hood. Since the hood and the fender is a one single piece, we have to make it as a one single piece. So let's just press E and let's extrude it right over down on the Z bottom Z axis, I mean Z minus. Let's keep it extrude it over on the Y axis like that. Right over there. One more over on the edge. Since that line is going to be the border, so we have to have two over there. Let's push it down the Z axis. Again, extrude, and then just join. Let's fix it from the top side. And so we have to manage every single side, right? But as I've said before, only two sides matter the most. I mean, all sides matter, but two sides are the most important. Let's just count the vertices that we have over there. And let's just put four more with Control R. Loop 2 space, and let's just divide it equally. Now it seems like every single piece is on its space, it's on its line. There's some minute touches here and there. But space again, I mean loop 2 space again. We're gonna join them. And now we're gonna form the curve. Let's just select all of them that are in the wheel area. So let's get all those three GZ and push up. Now we're gonna control these, select them. There we go. Now we have to form a proper curve, so it looks like it's not, it doesn't have a good resolution, but still we're gonna try. We're just gonna extrude the top three curve vertices and just place it right over on the right side and on the front side. Let's join them like that. We're gonna get one more edge in between the ends. Control R, let's join them, press F, join them, press F. Move it up on the Z axis. Let's do it one by one, maybe. That should be a lot better. Let's just G them and just move them. We don't have to use Z or anything else, just move them with G. Just press A and the Shift N to recalculate the normals.